Hello, welcome to Parenting Vibes with Kola Shodia. In this video, I'll be talking on helpful strategies to help in dealing with frustrations in parenting. Frustrations do arise, especially in nervous moments with our children, and this is largely caused by communication gap. Because our children are bad communicators, what they really want to tell us are not what they express through their actions and words. It is down to us as parents to decipher their needs and gel well with them. This will address issues of frustrations in parenting. Let's look at those 5 strategies. 1. Know your children. How do I mean? There are certain reaction mechanisms that your children chunk out on certain matters that you will need to understand. How sensitive they could be to noise and distractions, how active and focused they could get on issues, and how they react to new ideologies and new people. Those are things you have to know about your children. They are inborn with them. Though those things change with time, but you need to decipher them from time to time to know how to relate with your children. Strategy number 2, accept them. Irrespective of the attitudes they chunk out, they are your children. Whether you are still going to correct certain issues or not, show to them that you love them at all times. Strategy number 3, view issues from their own vantage position. As much as you want to correct them, that you want to guide them, you need to not only consider your own view, but also their own perspective to the issue you want to address. If you see it from their perspective, then it will guide you on the 4th thing that I want to talk about, which is guide them. There's difference between guiding a child and controlling a child. If you see it from your own perspective, the issue you want to address as an adult, and you consider things to be done, and you apply it on your children, what you are doing is you are controlling them. But if you take it from their own perspective and have a comprehensive view of the issue with your children, it will help you to put them through. So seeing it from their perspective to put them through is guiding them, which is different from seeing it from your own perspective alone to put them through. Strategy number 5, apply growth mindset to your parenting. You can't correct your children 100% of the time that you observe things not right. They grow every day. You will need to let time and patience do their own works on your children. They will change at certain time. So you can't correct them 100% things you observe. They are changing, they are growing. Don't forget those 5 strategies. Strategy number 1, know your children. Number 2, accept them. Number 3, view issues from their own vantage position. And that leads us to strategy 4, that is guiding them. I differentiated controlling and guiding your children. Number 5, apply growth mindset to your parenting. I believe you have gotten value from this video. So I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get more of our videos. I remain your child development coach. See you in our next video. Bye.